C in 100 seconds. Your first C program. Create a file, hello.c. Include stdio.h. This gives you printf, the function that prints to the screen. Every C program starts with main. Int means it returns a number. The curly braces hold your code. Printf, the most important function in C. The \n adds a new line. Return 0 tells the OS everything worked. Close the brace. 6 lines. That is your entire program. Save. Compile with GCC. It turns C code into a binary. Run it. There it is. Welcome to C in 100 seconds. Next episode: variables and types.